Good morning. It's 6:24. I've missed the sunrise at McAfee Knob, but I'll get up there. I'm more than halfway from the camp to McAfee. I'm probably less than a half mile, but I got up late. I got on the trail about 5:55, and I had a mile and 7/10 to go up there. So, and it's uphill. But I'm still getting up there. It's going to be a clear day, and it's going to be a beautiful view. Today, I'm going to make it all the way into, I think it's Daleville, and then wash my clothes, resupply, fix my trekking poles, and then move on. And then I think my next big thing is an area they call the roller coaster in the Shenandoahs. So, catch you down trail, see what we have in store. This is it, McAfee Knob. Two things I've noticed on the trail within the last week. There's not a lot of people, through hikers. They're all diving off the trail to go to trail days on the 18th, or they're all slowing down to stay within close distance to Damascus. So there's not a lot of through hikers. It's all section day hikers. And then also notice that do a lot of ridgeline walking in Virginia. Beautiful off of either side of the ridges, through the trees, just beautiful. But no water. Long stretches without water. So you got to manage your water really, really well in Virginia. So I just watered up coming down from McAfee Knob. I got to go probably another 6 miles to the next water, and then it's another 9 miles to the next water after that. So I got to really manage my water. I got to camel up and then carry at least 2 liters on that 9-mile stretch. So it's just kind of how it is in Virginia. So. Have no idea what lake that is down there, but this is an area along the trail, and just like every other one, they call it the ledge. So, and it is a ledge, very beautiful. This is a pretty cool rock structure I gotta walk through. I'll just take a video of it. I'm real close to Tinker Cliffs, like a 0.1 or more or less, but a little bit of the trail, ridgeline walking this morning. It's pretty cool. This is even neater. Look at that. Isn't that cool? There's a 18 north sign. So I gotta go that way. Okay, I'm here at Tinker Cliffs. There's my view. It is windy here. So this is another view from Tinker's Cliff. If you look at that ridge line, and it just keeps going, keeps going, keeps going, keeps going, until it just kind of disappears in the haze. And then another one starts up, and it does the same thing. All those ridge lines, that's what I'm hiking on, is ridge lines. And there's no water up there, so you have to come down every so often to get water. That's the valley down below. Just beautiful. This is just an amazing view. This is one of the better views I've had on the trail. Just amazing. That is beautiful. Okay, I just was looking at the map and I noticed something on the map. That big mountain over there, that's McAfee Knob on the other side. And that ridge line, that's what I just came over this morning. This whole ridge line right to here. So I just thought that was interesting. Talk to you down the trail. Here's another scenic view overlooking a valley. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'm here at Hayrock, so I'm going to try to get up on that thing and take a picture. Supposedly the view is magnificent and overlooks some kind of water. So, but this is Hayrock. This is the top of Hayrock. This is a nice view. I don't know what body of water that is down there. I will try to find out. But that's what I had to climb. And it's straight up. It's pretty steep. All right, catch you later. Okay, that was Carvins Cove Reservior. So, off of Hayrock. All right, moving on. That looks to be Daleville over there where I'm heading. This is that reservoir, and that's what's chasing me, is that thunderstorm. I'm gonna try to beat that thunderstorm, but what a view, isn't it? What a view.